தினம்தோறும் விளக்கேற்ற நல்ல எண்ணெய் இதயம் நல்லெண்ணெய்.
I came for Arunachala temple because Karnataka want good rain, good facility. The God Arunachala will give the good things for Karnataka people. That's why I came. It's my favorite God also, Ishvara. So every year I will come to pray for God for good things. That's why same thing I came for to pray Lord Arunachaleshwara. Always He given good things to me and my family, my state. So that's why I came. I prayed for the Karnataka people and for me.
Last 10 days for the Karnataka the farmers for farmers the Karbu.
Not 10 days. From last 2.5 years, farmers are suiciding. More than 2,000 in India. This is the second highest in India, Karnataka suicide, because there is no money for the in the government. So no development. Sugarcane farmers are doing the dharna. More than 4-5 lakhs people in dharna in Belagavi. So Siddaramaiah is just like it is in coma. This government is in coma. They are not doing anything. There is no money for guarantee. There is no money for development. That's why I think this government have to go. So only they are quarrel between CM, Deputy CM, Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah. For last 2 years, every day in the news, he will go Siddaramaiah, DK will come. This is the news happening in Karnataka. There is no development. I think people of Karnataka has decided to vote, not vote to Congress. That is the scenario of the Karnataka.
You also go to in the sugarcane farmers. You meet the sugarcane people.
Yeah.
Agree for that.
Yes.
How to feel it? Not the government is not action or anything.
No action. They have no money, na. This is a pauper government. There is no money. They are only quarreling for the post, and they are sending the money to Bihar election. Collecting the money from Karnataka, they are sending the Bihar election. Next Tamil Nadu election also they are sending, just like a ATM to Congress party, Delhi Congress party. More than 400-500 crores they sent to Bihar election. So this government is corrupt government, 60% commission government. There is no development. That's why people want to remove this government.
Last 2 or 3 months going on in the Rahul Gandhi Congress party, that election SFI and otherwise the
Rahul Gandhi have no proper mind. He is the unfit to opposition leader. He is telling about the soldiers. He is telling in soldiers they are telling caste in soldiers also, in the judge also. This is not good for the country. I think he lost every memory. When we go to the foreign, that time we criticize India. He is frustrated because all the election he lost the election. That's why he will giving the statement, frustrated statement, I think.
Karnataka government is how to feel in the corruption.
So no, see, they are telling Karnataka already the contractors, more than 10 to 12 contractors suicide in Karnataka. More than 2,000 farmers suicide in Karnataka. I think Rahul Gandhi, everything, whatever you ask, he will tell Modi. In election, electronic voting machine, Modi. Any win or lose, you tell Modi. For development, Modi. I think last 2 months, cricket men, they win World Cup. And last week, women, they won World Cup. I think Rahul Gandhi next week, within a week, you tell, because of Modi, that 2 matches win. That is the style of working of Rahul Gandhi. You have no sense at all, no common sense. That is Rahul Gandhi.
After 6 months is coming on in the Tamil Nadu election also. That how to feel in the DMK government?
I think DMK will go. 100% DMK go. Because BJP and Anna DMK alliance will sweep the Tamil Nadu state. I think Vijayan party will get only 10 to 12% of vote, that's all. I think he will not big victory. 100% DMK will go. Anna DMK and BJP alliance will come in Tamil Nadu. They will do the good things with Ashirwad of Modi and Amit Shah.
The DMK government is and alliance party also. SFI is against.
I think in near election, all the DMK partner will go one by one. Will go. Victory is Anna DMK and BJP.
December or November that CM people's candidates are go to in the deputy CM go to in the Delhi.
Yeah, already it is match fix. 2.5 year match fix. I think Siddaramaiah 100% he will go. Who will come the CM? We don't know. But changes in Karnataka 100% will happen. All the ministers are traveling to Delhi for the payment to retain the ministry. That is the thing happening. 100% the government will collapse another 1 or 2 months.
Karnataka peoples are asking, the young CM is asking for that. How to feel?
No, I think they want no Congress.
Yeah,
Don't
BJP.
want Congress. Don't want Congress. BJP will decide our high command who will be CM.